rising sophomore at Lynbrook High School. This is my project, this is my glasses. So I chose it because I've always liked small electronics, for example my watch that I didn't bring today, but I thought it was really cool that a device this small can access the internet and Bluetooth. So a quick summary of how it works is when I put it on, I look at this mirror, which reflects to this display, and I can display whatever I want here. And I can use my phone to connect to Bluetooth so that I can wirelessly take pictures whenever I want. So I'm not going to do a live demo because a lot of things can go wrong, and it takes a really long time to boot up, it takes 3 minutes, so I'm going to play a video. Okay. So right now I'm running my code. First of all, after I run my code, it turns on the Bluetooth system, and I can use my phone using an app called BlueDot, which uses this library that allows me to use Bluetooth to connect to my Raspberry Pi, which is basically a really small computer that processes everything. So when I press the blue button, it takes a bit, and then it takes a picture for me using my camera over here. So that's a preview of the picture. But right now, my camera is sideways, so it takes pictures sideways. But later in my code, I use a lib camera library to take the picture, and then I rotate the picture later. So I'm going to show the picture rotated, and all my pictures are in this library. Like that. And then this is a close-up of my mirror, and it's displaying my OLED. So this is my OLED. It stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, which is basically 2,500, 2,500 little LEDs that can turn on, and they turn on and they make different shapes and text that my Raspberry Pi tells it to. So this is a quick video of it. Right now it's only displaying the time and the date. And also, I need to display everything from right to left. So it's hard to read what it is if you're just looking at it, since the mirror reflects everything in a opposite sort of way. So yeah. So I faced two main challenges when making my project. The first one was my Raspberry Pi. It costs $15, and it has a lot of good functions, but it's really slow. The good functions are it can connect to Bluetooth and it can use Wi-Fi. However, I only have a little bit of RAM on it, so I can't run much stuff, and it takes a long time to boot anything up. For example, it takes 5 minutes to boot up any website, and it takes a long time to start up. My second main challenge was the tutorial I followed had the OLED right in front of my eyes, so then I can see through it, and it would be pretty cool. But since it was so close to my eyes, it was really blurry, and so basically the tutorial lied, and I had to move it further away and use a mirror to reflect my sight onto it. So if I had more time at BlueStamp, I would definitely add some sort of sound recognition system. So I would say, take a picture, and it would take a picture for me. And I would also add some sort of music playing system that would play music for me. And also, if I wanted to, I would beat Apple. So some stuff I took away from BlueStamp are I learned a lot about soldering and using cameras and OLEDs and Raspberry Pis, but more importantly, I learned a lot with patience from my Raspberry Pi being so slow. Thank you.